So I've noticed a trend of seeing the Nokia C30, which I thought was an old obsolete phone. Turns out they're still selling them in Australia. They're a prepaid phone by Telstra. And they're much worse spec'd than I originally anticipated. I can't get over how bad they are. It has 2 gig of RAM, running Android Go, and it is an absolute mammoth. No wonder it's boasting 3 days of battery life. It's got a 6,000 milliamp battery. That is good. That is fine. Issue with that is you've got to have Shaq's hands to be able to hold this thing. So let's pick this up. My hand holding it down the bottom. How the hell am I going to be pushing the volume up button? That's me stretching my finger and I can barely get to the power button. Here we have a S10 Plus as a comparison. I reach up, hitting a little bit shy of the phone. And then here's my personal phone, a S21, and I can just reach the bottom of volume down. I don't have to do a big hand shuffle to use this particular phone here. This one over here though, it's absolutely ridiculous. Granted, they want your finger resting smack bang there to hold it, but even still, I can hit the power button with my index finger. I can't adjust the volume. It is just simply too large. The screen itself, surprisingly, is okay. I thought it would be a much worse resolution than what it actually is. But being that it's running Android Go with 2 gig of RAM, running Android 11, current Android is version 13, unless you want a slow phone that all you're ever going to do is accept phone calls and maybe the odd text message, and even that I couldn't recommend. I've been using an Android, a Samsung Galaxy A11 for a while, and it had delays while typing on the keyboard, and that was running full Android. This, I could not recommend it. I've actually got one of these in the dead pile, which I didn't realise how old it was. I only got that the other day. Another customer came in and he needed his data transferred. He already bought another one, so I just transferred the motherboard. But then he goes, oh, just take the old phone. I threw it in the pile, and the old phone is, I thought, oh cool, I'll just probably replace the screen on it. Now that I've discovered it's got 2 gig of RAM and it's running Android Go, Android 11, I'm not going to do a thing with that phone apart from use it for spare parts in the future. So, for 150 bucks, I would not be recommending the Nokia C30. What a joke. This thing, actually, let's look it up. Let's see the release date of that. I grab phone number 2, and if we go here and go Nokia C30 release date. Let's have a look. Announced. No wonder it feels old. It was 2021, late 2021. Yep, no thanks. Very old technology, very old phone, long battery life. Had slight further insult there that I forgot to record. We are using micro USB. We don't even have a current charger in the box. What have we got here? Ooh, 5 volt, 2 amp, 10 watt charger with a micro USB cable. Let's jump into 2023 with a cable that's been obsolete now for about 3 to 5 years. Now see you later. No thanks, Nokia, no thanks. 100% frustration. Bye.